It's back on?
Mm-hmm.
You back on my thing?
Yeah, I'm on it.
Right here, hold the flashlight. Yeah, I'm back, y'all. Putting a zip tie on it. Zip tie holds your sleeve back up on it. Just that simple, fellas. Grab your shifter.
You gotta put it down. You gotta press the button, man.
And it didn't hold it.
Mm-mm.
Let me get that back up.
You gotta pull that down first. Cause you gotta get it right on the thing.
Yeah.
You gotta get another one.
And you gotta make sure it's tight, fellas. Once you get it up there, you gotta make sure it's tight. Everything will be back kosher. Light on there. It's on that tight, fella. Thing back down, oops. Snap, snap. Make sure this. Further.
You gotta break that. You gotta break that. That piece gotta go in first. The bottom piece gotta go in first. Put them in there and push it back.
This gotta go in first. Push back up, Paul. I got it. Let's record. Keep recording.
I'm recording.
Hold down, you know.
You got this thing twisted.
What?
This thing.
Snap this back in place, fellas. That's a done deal. Alright, fella. There you have it. Buick Verano 2012 shifter knob chain. Pop this off first. There's gonna be a zip tie holding this leather piece on. You cut the zip tie so you can slide this leather sleeve down without cutting it or tearing it. Then this plastic piece, you're not gonna use it no more on the old one, so you can break it. Once you break it, there's gonna be a pin in there, which you just push the pin out. Once you push the pin out, it pops right off. You get the new one, slide it right on, locks in place. Click, click. Done deal. Hope you like it. Get back at me. If you need something else done, I can do it. Holla. Peace.